Sneakers, runners, trainers are more than just a functional shoe. They are a fashion statement, and we've got quite a lot of them here. Actually, some of our staff brought some shoes as well today just to bulk out this rainbow, but you get the idea. We like our shoes. And to complete an outfit, they have to look clean. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you sneaker hacks, ways that you can keep your sneakers in tip-top shape. Lots of sneaker manufacturers know that we want to save time, and they've created their shoes to be machine washable. All you have to do is check the fabric care tag, and yes, your shoe does come with one. Or sometimes they come with a QR code, which you can scan and get all that information. Regardless, the way that you're going to machine wash your shoes is to first remove the laces. You can put those into a delicates bag. Hey, that's a bonus tip in and of itself. Then you can remove the insoles if you like, and you can place your shoes into the washing machine. I like to do this with a few pairs of shoes. That way it just kind of gets it all done at once and you get one noisy load of shoe laundry out of the way. You're going to use cold water, regular detergent, and generally speaking, I like to let my shoes air dry. I don't like to place them in the dryer. Dealing with stains as soon as you come home from a day out enjoying your shoes is a great way to keep them looking fresher and cleaner for longer. Many of my runners I've had for years and they look amazing because I do this very thing. So when you get back, if you love the shoes, do a quick inspection. You can use something as simple as dish soap or a little bit of laundry detergent and a cleaning toothbrush to scrub it clean. Or if you have something a little bit more serious, like say a grass stain or a mud stain that's a bit more stubborn, you can use an enzyme-based cleaner to pre-treat the stain, give it a few minutes, scrub it with a cleaning toothbrush and rinse it clean. Another thing you can do after a day of wearing your shoes is to take a simple shoe brush and brush your shoes clean. Now, you might notice that people do this before they head into a home. They'll kind of clean the soles of their shoes on a core mat, or some people have those little hedgehogs outside. That's a great way to keep the soles clean and dirt-free. But what about the rest of the shoe? If you just pick up one of these brushes, you can quickly brush off your shoes, again, the ones that you really love and care about, so that dirt doesn't build up over time. Shoelaces on your sneakers are like beds in a bedroom or a sink in a kitchen. If your shoelaces are dirty, the rest of your shoes are going to look dirty too, no matter how clean they are. So that's why you want to make sure that you maintain them on a somewhat regular basis. If you notice that they start to look dirty, you can do two things. You can remove them, pre-treat them with a stain pre-treater, and place them in a delicates bag. Wash them the next time you have a load of laundry going, and relace them. You'll see your shoes look brand new. Well, almost brand new. They'll just look a lot more fresh. Now, if your laces are too far gone or they're a little bit shredded, you can just replace your laces. You can even choose a different color, and you'll notice it kind of gives your shoes a whole new vibe. This is one of my favorite shoe accessories, and I know it looks absolutely ridiculous, but it is an extended shoehorn. My mom bought it for me, and she's like, trust me, you'll use it. And I swear to you, I use it all the time because I'm that person that likes to lace my shoes once and then step into them. And I used to be that person that would crush the back of my shoes repeatedly. Well, a shoehorn saves your shoes and makes it so much easier to get your shoes on without ruining them. If you plan to hand wash your shoes and they're nylon or mixed material, so you've got, say, a little bit of leather, a little bit of nylon, you're going to want to use something like a little bit of laundry detergent. I'm talking half a teaspoon in a cup or two of water. Remember, less detergent is less sudsing, so you don't want to have a ton of suds that are going to hang around on the material. Or you can pick up a specialty shoe cleaning product and just follow the package instructions. First thing you're going to do is pick up a shoe cleaning brush, and you're just going to brush off all of the dirt. Once that's done, you're going to mix up your solution, and you can start to brush the shoe with the solution. And the solution will be safe to use on rubber, on nylon, and on leather. If it's suede, you're going to want to make sure that you have a specialty product that is safe to use on suede. And in fact, this one is, which is why I really like it. Following that, you're just going to take a dampened cloth. I just dampen it with some water and I pat it dry just to remove any of the sudsing. Then you'll let the shoes dry, and that's that. Before we move on to even more shoe cleaning tips, I just wanted to let you know that our 50 DIY Cleaners ebook, which is by far our most popular one, is currently on sale on our website, and it contains exactly what it sounds like. 50 DIY cleaning recipes that are Clean My Space approved. They save you money, they save you time, and they work really well. Go check it out. Now, if you have an all leather running shoe like this one, you can use the same technique to do the initial cleaning. So a little bit of laundry detergent or a little bit of specialty shoe cleaner. You're going to start by just brushing the shoe clean. Then you can dampen your brush, apply the product. And what I like to do is finish it off with a little bit of leather cleaner and conditioner. Now, in some cases, you can just use this product to clean and condition the shoe, but I kind of like to do the 1-2 punch. The whole technique takes, I don't know, 3-4 minutes, and these shoes, just so you know, I bought 4 years ago. The right tools are crucial to get this job done, but it doesn't mean you have to run out and buy super expensive things. I've got a couple of proper shoe cleaning brushes just because over the years I've accumulated some different kits. So this is a soft bristle brush. It's kind of easy to grip and scrub. You can also pick up a nail brush. The idea is you want something that's sort of long and broad and has fairly soft bristles so that it can get between your shoes and brush out the dirt. This is a smaller brush and it's got rubber bristles here, kind of like if you imagine like a tongue cleaner on the back of a toothbrush, it's got that. And then it's got this little shape here that can sort of wedge into different sections. And then it's got soft bristles on the outside and these sort of metal bristles on the inside, which can get to some of the tougher dirt. This is really good for suede shoes. That being said, a cleaning toothbrush, just one of your old toothbrushes, is perfect for cleaning your shoes as well. However, I always sort of prefer using a larger brush when I'm cleaning a shoe just because it helps you cover a lot of space faster. The other thing that's important to have, of course, because it's a Clean My Space video, is a good quality microfiber cloth, not only to dab and wipe, but also to help absorb some of the moisture. And I always like, using these darker colored ones because, of course, I don't have to worry about stains. I really have to love a pair of shoes to buy Suede because they are so much more work to take care of. And that goes for nubuck as well. But when I saw these, I fell in love with them. So I took the risk. But with great risk comes great reward. And I get to wear these cool shoes now. Maintaining them is a little bit of a job. And what I've done is picked up a specialty cleaning product that's designed specifically for Suede and nubuck. The idea is you don't want to get these shoes wet, so I don't wear them on rainy days, and I am mindful of where I step when I wear them. Step one, pun intended, is to simply brush dirt off the suede. That in and of itself is going to take care of a lot of the dirt. Like I have some dirt built up here, and by simply brushing it off, I got rid of a lot of it. But this product comes with very clear instructions on the back, and I can link it for you. You would simply apply the product, dab it off when done, and that will help to remove any of the dirt. If you take a DIY approach to cleaning suede or nubuck leather, don't come crying to me, because I can tell you right now, it's not going to be pretty. If you want to keep the bottoms of your shoes clean, so that would be the tread and sort of the rubber base here, you can do a couple of different things. You can use a non-gel toothpaste with a cleaning toothbrush. You can dab a little bit of baking soda in water to create a bit of grittiness, and that should help remove some of the dirt. And people swear by the magic eraser as well. I don't particularly care for the magic eraser. That's just a personal preference, but I know people absolutely love it. So I did want to make sure that I mentioned it because it does work. It should just not be allowed to wear running shoes without socks. If you're that person, I'm not judging you, but I'm just asking you to change because your running shoes can get so smelly so fast. Nobody can escape foot odor. So there are two things you can do. First, you can get a sock liner. They're very easy to find. Once you are illuminated to how easy they are to find and wear, and they're no show, you will be converted and you'll feel like, no, I do not need to go barefoot in my runners anymore. But if you do that already and you still feel like foot odor is a thing, or if you wear slides and they're a little smelly, here is something that you can make at home instead of paying a lot of money for it. And it's stinky shoe powder. It's a DIY recipe, very easy. Stick it in a container, keep it by your front door. It's just equal parts cornstarch and baking soda. The cornstarch helps to absorb moisture, and moisture in a damp, dark environment like the innards of a shoe can allow for bacteria growth, and the baking soda helps to neutralize odors. So this is really a powerful combo. What you're going to do is you're going to take a pinch, stick it in the shoe. You're kind of going to tap the foot of the shoe down to spread it out. Then you're going to flip the shoe and tap the heel a couple of times, and then you can take it outside and tap out any of the excess. Just that sprinkling, that dusting of powder goes a long way. Too much is going to leave a bit of a gummy residue, so don't OD on this, but definitely give this a try. So now you know how to expertly maintain your running shoes so that they look amazing and you can dress them up or dress them down for as long as you want, whenever you want. And that brings me to this week's comment question, which is, what is your take on the running shoe as a fashion trend? Do you think it should be worn with dresses and nicer pants? Should it be worn to work? Should it be worn to fancier events? Or should it just be left to the gym and to outdoor activities? Let me know in the comments down below. I will say, at first, I thought it was a little weird to wear a sneaker with a dress. And now I dig the look so hard. I just do. Also because I don't like wearing high heels. But let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And if you don't have a hot take on that, let me know what your favorite pair of shoes are. The ones that you have. Tell me. If you loved all these shoe cleaning hacks, you will love some of my other cleaning hacks, and you can check out this video right over here. A couple of ways you can support the Clean My Space channel. Of course, you can do so by subscribing, and you can check out Maker's Clean, which is where we sell all of our premium microfiber cleaning tools and more. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.